What's up, YouTube gang? You know, another day back in the lab. And the big drop yesterday. Not sure what it could do today. This might be some new lands. Books. Baba. I got Baba going down. But before it goes down, I wanted to pop up real quick, catch this 20 or this 5-minute 8. Then this guy off the 15-minute last at the close yesterday closed pretty strong. Daily as well. Off this 8 could see potential downside. And then 1 hour might be into the 20 though. Oh, market just opened. That's the first bar? I mean, big old bars should warrant continuation. So, let's see what it does. Might go even lower today, to be honest. Bye-bye. I mean, I wanted to go short, but I didn't want to drop down right away. Might have to take this though, because it's right off of this. Can't even take that tail, it's too large. Ooh. Look how interesting this is. It's right off the 100 whole number. A very psychological level. After a big gap down day, could we see a bounce up? Would this qualify as violence? On the 1 minute, looking like this. I mean, what this basically did was red bar, right? Red bar, green bar wipes it all out, It's kind of violent. Red bar, no follow through. Green bar wipes it out. Should we try one? This is like against position. Let's just try one. I'm not sure if this tail qualifies as violence, but I'm pretty sure it does. It's big as heck. But we are going into a lot of violence. It is off a psychological level, but my stop has to be at 101.50 or 150 because, simply because I entered a bit late. So I just got a max loss going on. I would say that tail bar is violent because it's basically a red bar that I got no follow through. I got wiped out in one bar and then got follow through against position off 100 psychological whole number level after a big gap down day. So I could see a nice pullback. Guess I could have entered earlier, maybe around 42, 43. But we got this tail bar right here. Baba, man. Baba looking good to go down. I'm gonna stock this thing for when it pulls back. But I guess I could enter here. Yo, if I entered here and had a event stop on top of this bar, I would have got wicked out. That's hindsight though. Does this count as a first color change? Looking for a first color change to add. Better hold that 20. The next problem is this 220 over here. Uh-oh. This tails out, I might get an add. Separate stop. Treat it like two separate trades until I get follow through. There we go. +1 at what? 101.87. This one triggered at 90, 91. Got a separate stop at 101.25. Basically gonna treat this like two separate trades. So I have a stop here and a stop here. Yesterday I had a mentorship session. My mentor was like 200. Forget about the 200. Treat it like as if it wasn't there. So let's do that. 3 bar push. I'm waiting for 3 bars. 1, 2, maybe one more into the 103 whole number. So let's say I entered on this tail with a stop here. I get one push here, one push here, and yeah, one more push into 103 is valid. Because the 200 isn't a profit taking right. It's 3 pushes, 50 cents. I guess I have the 50-cent rule, but this looks good to go up on the 5 and 15 minute. No way it's rejecting off the 200 right now. $101.19. I think I'm gonna move both of my stops up to this, below this one. For max loss per trade stop, it is going into the 200. We're just trying to ignore it to like fulfill our 3 push rules. 1 here, 2 here, and then 3 into the whole number, which is like a perfect place to take some profit. All while at the same time acknowledging that it is here, so if it does bounce back and reject, we're gonna stop out here. That's a nice tail. We should follow through, honestly. Once my 20 gets above this low right here, I will move my stop to break even at 69-ish. That's not 3 pushes yet. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 103. That's valid. $101.26. Again, I gotta repeat in my head, the 200 is not a profit-taking place. The 200 is not a profit-taking place. I gotta trade based on my rules, even if it's going into the 200. That's dual tails right off the 200. This should follow through. Come on. 50 cents to profit take. 40 cents. Hands off, let this thing do its thing. Once it hits 103, then I just move my stop to break even and wait for the pullback and add. There it goes, come on. Next bar, let's get a strong bar close. Is that 3 pushes, bro? This is dual tails, bro. Bottoming tails. This is bullish energy. You tried rejecting, bulls came in. Tried rejecting, bulls came in. Don't doubt your winner. Your trade is winning right now. Let it run. Let it run. 103, let's go. Hit that. Beautiful. One off at 103. And now our stop is at break even. 87. Basically below this tail. Let's remove this line to get not distracted. Or maybe we should wait for the 20. Whatever breaks first, or whatever. If the 20 catches up, then I'll hold the stop at break even, but if not, it's dropping down pretty hard now for some reason. Let's pop that 200 back on, see what's happening. Bro, that is not the 200. What is that? Oh, now it is into the 200. Low key, if it clears this, I get a color change. And I could get an ad. Right here, I'll add the triggers. So now it's actually at the 200. Let's see what it does. I might wait for this 20 I mean to break. Because I think it has some bullish implications. And hopefully it doesn't go below break even. What the heck? Freaking. Let's get an ad there. 102.61. Well, I added when it cleared this. Maybe it's off the 8. Ideally, this holds. Hopefully this respects it, breaks above the 200, and we get a super power trend to the upside today. Let's get one more in. I'll move my stop under this bar now, 20. Let's get some extension away from the MA so I could take some profits. Ideally at the next whole number, 104. This thing can easily double dip and take me out. Ideally it holds though. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's hope that 8 holds, bro. I need some more power up, please. Let me lock and break even. Once I get some power up. I can't add quite yet because I don't want to move my stop above this 200. If it gets above this, I'll move my stop to break even. $102.03. I low-key could have my stop over here at the whole number for a max loss below this 20. Don't know what I should do. That thing looks kind of big. That thing looks kind of big. $200, do your thing, 200. Come on. Come on, 200. This 8 as well on the 5-minute. Hopefully it holds. This is so close. I don't want to wick out, bro. I'm going to hold one lot out. If this clears for a 180, I'm gonna put full size on. I took one off the stop so that I could try to live through the pullback and see if it holds at 20. 25. 67. I can add $67 of risk. So one lot if this clears above this bar. Come on. What's up with the news? Is there news or something? I'm locking the 102 whole number though. This is a VBS over here. This is it right here. Add one. Yeah, looks like if I did hold my stops at 102 below the 20, it looks like I could be safe right now. It looks like, I don't know though. Because with the max loss, I had an average price of 0236, 3 lots. I could afford 33 cents a lot. Stop is at 0203, basically right here. And it holds at 20. But I wicked out. I left that one lot just to be able to say that I lived through it. And I lived through it. And I just added one back on here at like 0242. Uh-oh. Psych. I think there's news now or something. I think there is news. But I'm going to take this regardless. Because it's setting up on the 5 and the 2. I think that shit just wicked me out again, bro. Like, bro. +1 at 102.42. Average price was like 102.52. This literally got me out right on the dot, bro. 102.02. Damn, man. Damn. Gotta have the hard stops in. I don't know why price seems so volatile. There might be news right now. Let me check. But regardless, this setup on the 5-minute, both the 5-minute, and this was a tail bar plus, so I entered anticipation. Freaking Fed Chair Powell speaks at 7:05 a.m. Bro, that's right now. No freaking wonder. Shit, I shouldn't be trading. Guy speaks and then it goes red. Alright, I'm gonna let, after this, if I stop out, I'm gonna let news chill. And then I'll look to trade again. But he's just talking right now at 7:05 right now. And like the follow through is not good. This price is too volatile. So alright, we're gonna relax. Let the news settle out. Unless I'm missing a short right here, bro. Tail bar got no follow through. Big old bar. Violence. Stop here. Entry here. But there's news though. What do I do? What do I do? Trades were decent up until news. Then it got kind of funky. I think today I'll chill out. If I reach a $200 loss, it's a Friday. Chill out. Whatever happens first, big win or $200 loss. So I got maybe one more $50 trade and one more $100 trade. Then we'll call it a week. Down about 4 hours today. I mean this week. 5-ish, 4 or 5-ish. I don't know how long I should wait after news. Jay Powell, man, every time he speaks, shit go crazy. Not gonna lie, the trade at the beginning was pretty nice though. Boom, boom. This for a second looked okay. Right here. But you know how it go, man. Yeah, 200 max loss today because I was basically up. My P&L was maybe up 300 something. I already lost that, so I basically lost 300. Damn. Bubba. This low-key setup on the 5-minute, I don't know if it's valid to trade yet. This is a one lotter. This thing came back down, also got no follow through. But this looks good on the 5-minute, low key. Boom, right into the 20. Off these MAs. Right there. Is already 1-to-1 basically. That looks pretty good. Entry should have been at 0.239 though. One lot. Yeah, I could see this one went. Damn. Well, we missed it. So we waited for the pullback. We missed it. It's going up for real. I mean, there's no way that we would have stayed in this. After this is a whole separate trade. Even though I was long and wanted it to go to like 104 to take profit. Yeah, it's like a whole ass different trade. 102.36. If I held this through 101.35, I'd be at a $1 loss per lot on 3 lots. And that's just bad habits. Because this thing could have kept dropping, and how would I have known? Only in hindsight. Break. This looked really good on the 5-minute. Apple off this 20 as well, off this flat ass 200. Boeing going down, going down, going down. This has room to move down. This has room to move down. This might trigger right here. I mean, it did trigger. I don't like it too much though, because Equal lows, equal highs. Off the 200, 20, off this 20. Oh, it actually looks pretty good. This one went. We missed it though. 49 triggers at 84. This is a one lotter. Holy shit, they're kind of violent, bro. %, mark right here. Let's see if it could hold above these pivots, maybe. MA is like flat. Well, this is at least a break-even trade if you took it. Okay. Here, bro, I gave you like 2 to 1 almost. Your stop should be at above this. 102.39 at your entry. See if it stops out though. Baba. Jeez Louise. This is kind of a flat 20, man. Should we try this? It's mad choppy right now. MA is funky. Pullback kind of violent. But potentially triggers over at 103. Ooh, this one went. Got down here. Equal low, equal low, equal low. Moment of truth. Moment of truth will break through. Maybe I'll try it on the 5-minute. It's not working out. This one would have paid. Equal lows, equal lows. Tested it for a second and now it's breaking through. Equal high, equal high. Could have tried this. We did acknowledge it, but now it looks like it might actually drop. 15-minute drop, 5-minute drop, 1 hour, nothing in the way. Daily, nothing in the way except this 200. And if it drops if it drops $10, say less. Alright, we're looking for a short on this, on a pullback. AMD, man, dropping so heavy after this big green bar. I like Boeing because it has room to move on all time frames. 2-minute, nothing in the way. 5-minute, nothing in the way. 15, 1 hour daily. Until like $10 later. Ideally, this 20 pops below this whole range. Gets a retest. And we're out. Hit that color change. News day, huh? Volatile. This thing ain't even getting no follow through. It's not trending. Baba looks good. Big ol' green bar. Tail bar. So this was bullish implications. We got no follow through. Rejected off all these MAs. Off these MAs. And it's, oh, Baba, we did want a short today, remember? We did want a short. And it's triggering under this. But ideally, we were looking for a pullback here. Came here, wasn't able to break up. Also off the 5. Finally breaking this. So we'll look to enter on the pullback. Once this 20 gets going, we'll look for a 2 or 5 minute short. AMD getting kind of messy, man. This whole green bar basically got retraced. Let's look for short on Ba or Baba. Hopefully we get a gentle pullback. Boom, drop. I'm about to start college again, yo. Second year. Man. There's a creep at my door, bro. What the heck? Who is that, bro? Get out, bro. Who are you? You see this little creep trying to interrupt my video?
Oh, I'm not.
You get messed up?
Yeah,
Yeah, you were trading news.
I could tell. Did you get messed up?
I'm alright.
I got messed up by AMG.
Oh no.
Look at it. I was his mom, right? Shit.
I had some nice trades at the open, but then the news came and then it was just trash.
It was looking good. Huh? I was in the tailboat. The beginning tailboat.
I had those visions.
You saw that on there?
Yeah, I saw that.
In my video, I said that you taught me like to trade against the trap now.
So you're done?
Yeah, that's like 120.
I'm looking for a Baba or a Ba short right now. On a pullback. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. See what it retests here. Pull back, 20 drops. It's gentle pullback, bro. Nothing violent, por favor. How the bank's doing? Ooh. Wait, this looks like a bar. Yeah, it looks like bar. Equal lows, equal high. Could have taken it here for one time. 1, 2, 3 bars into the whole number. 146. You're taking profits. Woo! This one worked out nice. This could pull back. Orco. Ooh. Orco was low-key trending up, though. Nvidia sideways. Disney. Chop. Breaks below. Breaks below first color change. MA is like kind of lagging behind though. Baba just sinking down. Entry would have been at 216.84. This thing at 214.84 something. That's $2. I'm gonna try one more trade after this. Ay. I should probably cut these out of the video, this little time during which nothing happens. But this is the reality of trading, bro. Baba. Slice this move in half. That's where I want it, but realistically below the 20. This was kind of beautiful. 26 cent, 28, 3 to 4 lots on that. This thing dropped to the whole number 146, and you were in at 47.19. That's $1.19, bro. $1.19. Let's just say $1. 4 lots, $400, bro. It's pullback time. It's pullback time. This might be right at the 8 right now. I could just tell because. Oh, psych. It's broken the 8. Never mind. I couldn't tell. Yeah, probably gonna cut myself off at 8:30 today. Just cause I wanna go chill. It's the end of the week. It's been tired, you know. Disney did go sideways. Popped off from the bottom of this box. Boom. Next thing you know, look at the MA though. It's kind of going sideways now too. I don't like that. Should have got more follow through after this big bar. Like, I want a solid leg before it pulls back. Like, what is this? Disney? I mean, I guess this was solid, but like, this don't really count this part right here. Why? Because it was trading within this junk. So really, it starts from here, in my opinion. And then they get that much of follow through for it to pull back already. PayPal. PayPal looks similar to Disney, no? Boom, drop below. JPM possible short as well. Oh, shoot. It's right where we want it on Baba. It's right where we want it. Let's start calculating. 3, 12, plus 4. In at 97, 96 actually. So that's 4 cents. And stop at 12. 16-cent bar. For the last trade of the day, 6 lots at 96. 6 lots at 96. Let's go, 6 lots at 96. Okay, a bit of slippage. This will be our last trade for the day. Stop at 12. 1 cent above the high. Baba. This was a short we were waiting for the whole day. I like the look of that pullback. Trigger at 89. Should have been at 88.96. Event stop at, this is textbook, bro. Off this 20 as well. This should follow through. 89.12. I just have my stop 1 cent above the event pattern that I entered on. You get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bar pullback. Beautiful. Triggers at 96. A bit of slippage. I get in at 95. My stop is at 12. Beautiful, you know? And looking for new lows to take profit. So got my entry, got my stop. and got my target to short or to get out. Beautiful. 5 plus 12 cents. Risking 17 cents times 6 lots. I did the calculation. I was supposed to put 6 lots, but slippage is why sometimes I say I'm oversized, because of slippage. It was supposed to trigger at 96, which would have meant that I'm risking 16 cents a lot, which is a perfect $96 risk. But slippage over $2, and I would say it's okay. $89.12. Might even target these lows actually. Get something big out of this. This is an $80 stock. I'm looking for at least 50 cents to take profit. In a close below those lows, let's look for 50 cents. 50 cents. So let's just throw a order down 50 cents. 45, right? At 50 cents, what does that give us? 50 cent requirement, and this pushing into the new low. Probably take 2 off there actually. I'll layer it. Put one at this low, chilling at this low. It's around an area where I could break even. What was I risking on this? 5 cents to the whole number and 12 cents over the whole number. 17 cents. Bro, I got 40 cents already. This thing gave me 2 to 1. I'm moving my stop to break even. Max loss today is going to be $49. Otherwise, we're going to be making money. Let's just I'm going to put this order for 2 lots. Or should I just have another one layered down at the whole number? 88? Yeah, facts. No way that doesn't hit. Might take profit. Damn. For real? Couldn't break below this low? Fake it. No, that broke below. 2 bar break, second bar should go further. So you got this low right here. This bar is the one that closes below and breaks it. For confirmation of the break, this next bar should go lower. $50. I was looking for 50 cents because this is a stock that's more expensive than $50, and that's my rules. Over $50, I look for 50 cents. Under 50 bucks, I look for 30 cents. And in this case, I get 95 minus 50. My order is at 45. Oh no, 42. I'm tripping. Oh shoot. Well, I guess it did hit 45. My bad. But anyways, new bar should confirm the low. And we locked in break even at 95, so I don't see any roadblocks on this thing besides price. Daily, let's see. Daily actually look good to continue down. No way. This has so much bearish implications. Like, it should follow through. Yeah, I should have taken some off manually at 45 because it did hit 50 cents. Now if this thing pulls back and stops me, oh, I'm giving up 50 cents, bro. 6 lots. Do the math, that's $300. Like, I'm capable of making money. I just need to take my money when it gives it to me. The market is not gonna do that for me. Hopefully it bounces off that A and drops right now. Just drop. I know you want to drop. 15-minute looks so good, but look at that. Big red bar. Basically the opposite that happened to the downside, but with the 200 on its side. Before it was big green bar, tail bar, but it was into the 200. This time it's red bar rejecting off the 200, tail bar. This literally triggered, should follow through. Like, to break these lows at least, in my humble opinion. Hopefully it hits the first TP at least. So it's at least a break-even day. I shouldn't be losing money. Just drop, bro. This is literally 2 cents for hitting the TP. Just drop. Literally just drop, bro. This thing's tripping balls. It did it again. I could have taken profit, but whatever, man. Time for the 8 to go to work, man. Bro, if this thing breaks above the 8. Disappointed. Could move my stop on top of this bar, lock in 72. This puts a small bar in fucking triggers. I might just put on the rest of the size. Add to the winner. Nah, bro, because you can't be doing that, though. It's my fault for not taking profit. Greedy guy. Greedy little bastard. What's going on here? Greedy little cocksucking bastard. 95. This gave me 43. I should have manually did it because when I have these TPs, bro, I get so stuck on having the TP there, I don't even. Are you serious? I just had $300 in my hands. Just trust the process. Oh, it might trigger right now. It might just trigger right now at 54. Let's see if we get an ad. 54. What's up, boy? Fudge it. We going all in. Minus 88. Let's not even take profit, bro. Let's hold the bag. Let's hold the bag. We're gonna move our stop to break even though. Let's not be stupid here. So it either goes or it doesn't. Simple as that. Boom or bust. This is gonna be a boom or bust scenario. We got 4 lots at 88.78. If that 20 holds, we'll be very lucky. And then if it drops, boom! We're gonna make a lot of money today. But if not, we lose 50 bucks. But yeah, I could have made money. Hope that thing tails out, bro, for real. Like, please tail out. That's a tail. We got very lucky. It damn near wicked us out. But that's a tail. That's a good sign. Please keep dropping. Please keep dropping. This tail triggers at 58 and the stop is at 78, which happens to be exactly where my stop is, at 78. Break even. So let's hope this thing triggers at 58 and drop big time. That triggered, to say the least. Tail bar off the 20, triggered at 58. Looking for new lows. Come on now. Damn, my pit stink, bro. This trigger, it ain't going though. Be patient. Tail, I like that. 5-minute tail too, looking mad pretty. This tail triggers at 50. Here's my last trade for the day. It either works or it doesn't, bro. Boom or bust. Going boom or bust. 1,000 shares at break even. The best scenario possible. Sitting above this tail, right at this, above this tail, where it should be 78. So this is pretty high probability. Or I don't know, but if it gets going, it will be high probability. But all time frames have room to move down. Daily could drop over here. Yo, 20 is losing its power, bro. If this thing doesn't drop, it's going sideways. Please drop. Below this. I want to make a lot of money today. I want to see where this could possibly drop to. First here. 88. Damn, bro. $20 losing its power. That bar is too big, bro. Locking in 5 cents on each slot for a break-even day. Because if it breaks right now, it's going to run through 78 easy. Like it should have gone by now. It didn't go. Just get a 180, bro. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Alright, I took everything off because I believe once it closes above this 20 gone flat, things should have followed through, didn't follow through. Let's see if it hits 78 right now. 78, yeah, would have stopped out. This tail should have gone follow through. This tail should have gone follow through. Trade would have been over. 1 cent above the high, 78. This is literally a 78.80. Yeah, that stopped out. And we got flat, no follow through. I guess we made 65 bucks. Ooh, 65 bucks. It's 8:11, bro. AMD, what did I make on AMD? I'll just go back and check the recording. Thank you guys for watching. We got another break-even week. Today I actually had some nice trades, but definitely should have had some profit takes here. This might trend again, I don't know, but I'm done for the week. Peace out, guys.